about 1.7%. Growth, however, is expected to return.
Go get him, Kylie!
Expansion of
Boop 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 boop.
2.3 that they had earlier forecast. What is the issue?
I was just going to say I wouldn't use the word shrinkage, but anyway, most Asian markets ended higher overnight. Here's a look.
Boop boop.
Nikkei up 4 tenths.
This daddy.
Hong Kong's Hang Seng adding 8 tenths. South Korea's Kospi rising 1.2. China's Shanghai up 6 tenths. India's Bombay bucked the trend, lost 1.3%.
It's my camera.
Johnson.
It's my camera. I'm taking pictures of you.
They changed this the last second. It's Louisa.
Pappy's camera.
Joining us from London. Louisa.
Yeah, I had a sex change since we last spoke. Mark, sorry about that. Update from that front. But let me show you the European markets, because we're right across the board. We've got the financials pulling lower on some of our main markets. Like in Germany, it's like the bonds pulling down. You've got Societe Generale in Paris pulling lower. But being led lower by the miners. You might be surprised by that. Of course, we've got these reports out over the weekend that we could be looking at a huge potential merger of people, as they're calling it, between Xstrata and Anglo-American. I'll get to that in a second, but British Airways being the main losers on the UK.
You're trapped like a little rat that you are, you little monkey.
Down on speculation that they could be looking towards the government for aid. They've denied this, though, but Sir Richard Branson putting a little bit of a spanner in the wheels, though, as he likes to do.